Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end. I swear pricing pages are designed to make you feel productive while secretly stealing your afternoon. So let's skip the confusion and talk money immediately. Starting with a clean pricing comparison between Paymo and Harvest. Paymo uses a tiered model that scales from freelancers to full teams. The Paymo free plan costs $0 per month and includes unlimited time tracking, unlimited invoices, unlimited tasks, desktop and mobile apps, and basic project management. But it limits you to one user, one client, and two projects. The solo plan costs $9.90 per month and is still single user, but it adds flat rate projects, retainer projects, task calendar views, Kanban boards, guest access, in-app support, and more storage, making it ideal for freelancers handling multiple clients. The most popular Plus plan is priced at $15.90 per user per month and significantly expands functionality with recurring tasks, bulk time entries, active timers, detailed timesheet reports, project templates, profitability tracking, proofing and versioning, recurring invoices, estimates, expense tracking, API access, and increased storage. At the top end, the Pro plan costs $23.90 per user per month and is built for agencies and larger teams, adding portfolio-level Gantt charts, task dependencies, workload planning, employee scheduling, timesheet approvals, leave management, priority support, remote assistance, and massive storage. Now, comparing that directly with Harvest pricing, Harvest keeps things much simpler and more time tracking focused. Harvest offers a free plan that costs $0 forever and is designed for individual freelancers. It includes one seat, two projects, time tracking, expense tracking, basic reporting and invoicing, but it's intentionally limited. From there, Harvest moves to per seat pricing. The Harvest Pro plan costs $13.75 per seat per month and unlocks unlimited users, unlimited projects, team reporting, accounting, and payment integrations, and scheduled phone support. The Premium plan costs $17.50 per seat per month and adds advanced reporting, timesheet approvals, activity logs, custom reports and exports, single sign-on, and onboarding support for larger teams. Unlike Paymo, Harvest does not offer as many pricing tiers, but it keeps its structure very straightforward. Moving into features, Paymo positions itself as a full work management platform rather than just a time tracker. Time tracking works across web, desktop, and mobile apps, with timers that attach directly to tasks and projects. Task management is flexible, offering list views, Kanban boards, spreadsheet-style layouts, and Gantt charts depending on your plan. Projects can be billed hourly, as flat rate, or as retainers, which gives service businesses flexibility in how they charge clients. Invoicing is deeply integrated, allowing tracked time and expenses to convert directly into professional invoices, with recurring billing, estimates, and expense management included. Paymo also emphasizes collaboration and client work. Guest access allows external stakeholders to view progress without full access, while proofing and versioning tools help creative teams manage feedback and revisions. Reporting covers time, budgets, utilization, and profitability, giving managers insight into both productivity and revenue without exporting data elsewhere. Integrations and API access allow Paymo to connect with accounting tools, calendars, and automation platforms, making it suitable for growing teams that want structure without juggling multiple apps. The pros of Paymo are its all-in-one approach and depth. It replaces separate tools for time tracking, project management, and invoicing, scales well from freelancers to agencies, supports multiple billing models, and provides strong visibility into project profitability. The cons are that it can feel heavy for users who only need simple time tracking, and some advanced features are locked behind higher plans, which may be unnecessary for very small teams. Now, shifting the focus fully to Harvest, the philosophy here is very different from Paymo. Harvest is not trying to be an all-in-one work management system. Instead, it is laser-focused on time tracking, expense tracking, and turning that data into clean, simple invoices and reports. The core of Harvest is its time tracking experience, which is intentionally minimal and extremely easy to use. You can track time from the web app, desktop apps, or mobile devices, and timers are designed to be fast, distraction-free, and reliable. This makes Harvest especially popular with consultants, freelancers, and teams that bill primarily by the hour and want accuracy without complexity. Project setup in Harvest is straightforward. You assign team members to projects, define billable and non-billable tasks, and track time against those tasks. While it doesn't offer deep task management like Kanban boards or Gantt charts, it excels at keeping time data clean and organized. Expense tracking is built in as well, allowing users to log reimbursable expenses alongside tracked hours, which then flow directly into invoices. Invoicing itself is simple but effective, letting you convert time and expenses into client-ready invoices with minimal clicks, customize invoice appearance, and accept online payments through integrated payment processors. Reporting is one of Harvest's strongest areas. Even on lower plans, you get clear visual reports showing hours tracked by project, client, task, or team member. On higher plans, reporting becomes more advanced, offering profitability insights, utilization rates, and downloadable exports that accounting teams can easily work with. Harvest also integrates with over 50 tools, including project management platforms, accounting software, CRMs, and payroll systems, which allows it to fit neatly into existing workflows rather than replacing them. The pros of Harvest are clarity, reliability, and ease of adoption. Teams can start using it almost immediately with little to no training. Time tracking accuracy is excellent, reports are easy to understand, and the software stays focused on what it does best. It's especially strong for service-based businesses that bill hourly and want visibility without micromanagement. The cons are its limited project management depth and lack of built-in task workflows. If you need dependencies, scheduling, workload planning, or advanced project controls, Harvest will feel too light and may require pairing with another tool. Looking at user feedback, both tools perform well on Capterra, though for slightly different reasons. Paymo generally holds ratings at 4.7 stars, with users praising its all-in-one feature set, strong project visibility, and billing flexibility, while occasionally mentioning the learning curve and feature density. Harvest also typically sits at 4.6 stars on Capterra, with users consistently highlighting its simplicity, time tracking accuracy, and reporting clarity, while noting that it's intentionally limited outside of time and expense tracking. Ratings can change over time and vary by region and review volume, so it's always best to check the most recent listings for the most accurate information. The final takeaway is this: if your business needs structured project management, multiple billing models, invoicing, and profitability tracking all in one place, Paymo is the stronger, more comprehensive platform. If your priority is fast, accurate time tracking, clean reporting, and invoicing without complexity, Harvest delivers exactly that with minimal friction. Click the link below to access the software, explore the plans, and try them yourself, because no comparison beats real-world use. And if this breakdown helped you save time or avoid a pricing headache, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and stick around for more clear, no-fluff software comparisons that actually help you choose the right tool.